I'm Cecile, I'm working at the Gentlemen Baristas at the O2 shop, and for today's video, because it's the lockdown period, I want to invite you in my kitchen in France and I want to cook with you my dinner for tonight. So to make this recipe you need one tuna steak, so it's one tuna steak per person, some honey, like this one, some pepper, some salt, onion, chilli, vanilla, coffee, and to make the color on the top of our tuna, at the end we're gonna put some sesame seed on it as well. 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of this one, of olive oil. We're gonna put some salt, a little bit, as much as you want. I prefer like to eat salted food, like very salted, not very because I know it's not good for the health. Pepper. I'm gonna add the chili. You can start to stir. I'm gonna add the honey inside. Now I'm gonna cut this onion in like slices. So you put your onion inside your mix. Magic sauce, but you can change it with some soy sauce. So you add it inside, but not too much because it's very salty. And now we're gonna add the coffee, a little bit, like 1 teaspoon, not too much, just to add the bitterness of the coffee. So doesn't look very good, but I'm sure it smells good. And now we're gonna add the vanilla. You cut a little bit to take out the skin. Just take the thing inside. Little bit of vanilla. That's it. So don't hesitate to use the spice that you want to use. For me, I just use the spice I'll show you. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep this on the side, and to cut it in half. You just need to cut it in half. Try to make like the same, like quite the same size, like this one. And you just need to add it inside your mix. And now you need to keep it for 1 hour in the fridge. So for the second part, we're gonna make the potatoes. So first of all, don't forget, you need to switch on the oven. I put it at 200 Celsius. So the first thing you need to do is to wash your potato. You're gonna need to add some salt to make it salty, some pepper, spice. The name is roastery. I'm sorry for the pronunciation. So you're just gonna add a little bit to make the color. And if you want to add, you can use the other half of your onion and to add it inside. So you take a tablespoon, you mix it. I'm gonna add this is like parsley. The name is ail des ours. So it's a mix of, smells very good. It's a mix of garlic and parsley together. You put a little bit to add some green on your potato. You mix again, and that's it. So now my oven is ready to put my potatoes inside. So we're gonna put the potatoes in the oven. Thank you to have watched this video. I hope I'm gonna see you soon and stay at home and stay safe. Bye!